Hi, it's Marlene Boyle from REMAX Jazz. Today my team and I are here at Costco in Oshawa, and we're getting some items that we're going to donate to the food bank, the St. Vincent de Paul's in Bowmanville. They are very short on some items, so if anybody can donate, drop-offs are Wednesday morning at St. Joe's Church or Thursday evenings. Have a great day.
If you're able to help, the food bank primarily needs sugar, instant coffee, tea bags, any sort of condiments, as well as the items listed on the screen that I'm contributing. However, food is always welcome. If you're dropping off at St. Joseph Church, located at 127 Liberty Street South, use the door on the south side of the church where the black railing is with steps going down, and then knock loudly on the door at the bottom of the stairs. Again, you can drop it off at the church on Wednesday morning or Thursday evening. You can also drop it off at my office at 113 King Street East in Bowmanville from 9:30 to 5:30, Monday to Friday, and text me to let me know it's there. 905-926-5554. Thanks very much and have a great day.